So hello everybody, my name is Stephen Hansen from Imperial College London, and I'm really looking forward to teaching the Unstructured Data in Empirical Economics course as part of the upcoming SIMPI Summer School. So to give you a little bit of overview of the course and maybe inspire you to take the course, I thought I would make this video to introduce some basic ideas. So we probably all know that econometrics gives us a rich set of tools for handling sort of standard data sets. So by standard data sets, we mean the typical data file that you would read in with a certain number of rows, certain number of columns, and then a number that corresponds to a particular cell in the data. But if you look around the world, most data does not come in this structured form. Most data is unstructured data. So the leading example of unstructured data is text, but we also mean sort of video files, audio files, and instances like that. And up to 90% of the data in the world has been estimated to have this unstructured form. So if you want to use most of the data that's currently being produced by digital platforms, you can't really rely on these standard econometric tools. Instead, you need to move to tools from machine learning and computer science, which are developed to deal with this sort of unstructured data. So the first thing we're going to do in this course is review ways in which economists have fruitfully taken off-the-shelf algorithms, really, from computer science and machine learning to transform unstructured data into a tractable quantitative form that we can use to answer important economic questions, like measuring economic policy uncertainty or accounting for the impact of transparency on organizational behavior, or trying to measure skill dynamics in labor markets. All of these are important examples of applications of unstructured data that have come into the empirical literature in the last few years due to unstructured data methods. But then something I'm also very excited about doing in this course is teaching you to go beyond the kind of standard off-the-shelf implementations and really talk about coding our own models. Because the state of the art in this field is sort of trying to marry unstructured data with the statistical models that we like to estimate as economists together into the same system. Now, I'm going to show you some tools, not only in theory, but also in practice through real notebooks on real data, about how you can code cutting-edge statistical methods for unstructured data without a computer science PhD. So I look forward to seeing all of you towards the end of the summer for this exciting course.